Say hi. Hi. Sige na, let's go. Dito yan. At sa taas. Ay, sarado.
Pati pagkakbang na sa kami na yun. Binawa. Nandiyan daw. Doon tayo sa amin.
Sige na yan, let's go na.
Dali.
Punta doon. Punta doon, pasok doon. Wait. Smile na kayo. Yan.
Sumasayaw siya, susunod. Tumitingin pa, Joyce. Bakla ka ito.
Dito ako si Pia, may kita ako.
3, 4, clutch your shoes, 7, 8, and turn. 3, 4, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, clutch your shoes and ready? Stand up. Clutch your shoes and turn. One more time. Woo! Good job, Peter. Hey, 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 hey.
Bye!
Good job. Come on, guys. On your feet. 2, 3, 4, and 10. Reverse. Other side. Woo! Walk your feet and turn. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. Everybody, one. Ayan, lahat po ba ng parents nasa GC na po? Ayan, okay ba yung mga pictures po nila kids?
Nangyari wash?
I-upload mo yan, no? Alam ko na.
Day 2. Ay, may float na.
Ginagamit account ko sa ano kasi pag sa GC na
Feel the beat.
Hands on your back.
Answer your back. Careful po. Outside handrail. Asan yung isa?
Ayun, dumidede.
Ay, hindi.
Go. Sa counter. Oh. Yan. Yan.
Hi, guys. Hi, good morning. What's your order po?
Isa pong ice mocha.
Ice mocha.
Order 244.
Medium.
Medium lang.
Medium.
2444. Order 244.
Smile kay mami. Smile. Medium. Mocha.
Tsaka dalawa pong chicken sandwich.
Dalawa. And additional.
Wala na po.
Wow, ang galing. 200 for... Hold the change. Can you check the monitor, please? Bye na, say bye-bye. Bye.
Yan, bye-bye.
Bye.
Ito lang katingin. Yan. Yan.
Order 755 po.
Nagawa na kayo ng drink. Call mo number 351. Call number 351. Pinutin mo. 356 mo. Oh. Bigay mo. Bigay mo. Yan, give mommy. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Thank you. Go. Day 3, guys. Yummy? Go. Go, Yang. Yang, wait lang.
Tali si Atara. Mamaya na.
Hold po muna, hold po.
Hold lang. Wait lang.
Hands up, kilig group.
Hands up yan.
Hands up po, hands up.
Gawa mo na siya si baby.
Ready na, ready?
My orange is
Tanggalin natin ito.
diba? They need to try this.
Ayaw niya ng ketchup.
Master and cucumber. Master and cucumber. And it's good for the kids.
Okay. Thumbs up po pag may ketchup na.
Puro tayo muna. Kainin mo muna bago.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Diba? Ganun ang ating sa akin.
11. Okay, thumbs up pag meron na po. Next, ilalagay natin yung yellow mustard. Mustard. Ayan yung mustard. Ayan yung yellow mustard. Okay.
Oh, it's okay kung ayaw lagyan.
Okay, kung kaya ng mustard, wag ipot para makain yung mama yung food.
Okay na po. Thumbs up pag may mustard na. Thumbs up po, thumbs up. Okay na po. Okay, next. Sino pong gusto ng pickles? Ayan, put some pickles on. As,
Kung ayaw ng pickles, wag din nila.
put some pickles on the middle. Ayan yung pickles natin lalagyan natin.
Tira mo si ate.
Good job.
Okay, kids. Josh.
Yang.
Okay, taas po natin yung burger.
Yang, taas mo burger. Yang.
Taas.
Yang, galing. Taas mo.
Taas yung burger.
Burger.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Yang. Sia, bye-bye po.
Kasama yung lolo mo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ka na, bye-bye. Sige.
Magdadance daw siya ma'am sa date.
Day 4. Say 4. 4. Ready na si Pia. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yay! Punta dun, punta dun. Breakfast muna kami ni Pia. Ah! Mm. Mm. Jump! 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Po. Para po pag nag-picture taking tayo while nagkuha ko ng certificate, okay naman, presentable tayo po. Para rin po pala post tayo at least kahit
Hug! Hug, Kuya! Hug! Thank you po! Thank you! Last day na guys. Graduate na si Fia. Let's go. Ang sila kayo. Oh, bag sleeper.
Once again, for all my TQ Vibes Rock.
Sa Perujo. I'm Jennifer po, ship leader for today. Sabi po, magkita-kita tayo sa grand graduation this coming June po. Thank you po, enjoy po.
Okay, so kids, pagkakuha ng letter, punta kay mami, kay daddy, and ibigay po natin yung letter sa kanila. Okay, ibigay po natin yung letter natin kay mami and daddy.
Yang, halika. Hawak. Hawak, hawak, hawak. Tingin mami, Yang. Yang, tingin mami. Yang.
Okay,
Yang.
kids, meron na po lahat. Okay, punta tayo kay mami and daddy. Say thank you po
Thank you po
for letting me
for letting me
be a part
be a part
of the McDog Kiddie Crew Vibe Squad.
of the McDog Kitty Crew Vibe Squad.
Ayaw ba? Ayaw, wala mo nakita. Okay. Siyempre, hindi maging masayang game kung walang twist. Ano po ba yung twist? Ito one. Ito two. Ito one. Ito two. Group yourself. Ito four. Ayan, ito four. Ayan, ito four. Okay, yan. Ayan, ito four. So, says, shake your hand. Shake, shake, shake. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Group yourself. Ito one. Ito two. Ito one. Ito two. Ito one. Ito two. Group yourself. Ito three. Oh, oh. Oh, sige. Sige, kaya mo yan. Nabahan mo kamay mo. Sige. Ito two. Ito one. Ito two. Group yourself. Ito four. Oh,
Oh, walang gagalaw.
Enzo,
Ayaw, walang gagalaw. Tingnan natin kung sino yung Ayan, tingnan natin kung sino hindi gagalaw.
Walang gagalaw. Walang
Ay, hindi talaga gagalaw si Ate Marga. Ate Dan!
Oh, walang gagalaw.
Sa kasi favorite position niya ni Ate Marga.
Walang gagalaw.
Pleasing lang yan lagi si Ate Marga. Ate Dan! 3, 2, and 1. Okay, form a one straight line po. One straight line. Ayan, isang line po tayo. Yung setup ng mga parents, ganyan yung setup nila pag nag-games kami. Arrange your line. Okay. For arrange your line, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng isang balloons. Ayan, nakaligtas ka.
Ate Jo, hindi ka po nakasali.
Counted ka pa naman. Okay. So, syempre, paano mo yung game? Pag sinabi kong pass na balloon over, ipapasa niyo po siya pa iba, no? Hanggang makarating sa dulo. Pag sinabi ko namang under, sa ilalim po. Okay? Kaya pinag-pants ko kayo lahat. Okay, syempre, pag sinabi kong arrange your line according to your height, kung sino po yung pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinaka-matangkad. Okay? Okay, so ganun lang po yung game natin. Then, kung sinong team ang unang matatapos or unang makaka-arrange yung line, isisigaw lang ha, good vibes. Okay? Practice game tayo para hindi umulit. In Ronald McDonald said, pass the balloon over. Over. Under. Arrange your line according to your age. Go! Age. Lowest to highest. Good vibes. Ganyan lang po yung game natin. Para ma-counted siya as 1 point. Okay? Okay mo, pag natin mga 3 points. Kung sinong team ang unang mga 3 points, ibig sabihin sila na po yung winner. Okay? Ready? In Ronald McDonald said, and po, ito na po yung pinaka-game natin. Pass the balloon over. Under. Arrange your line. According to your first letter ng surname. First letter ng surname. Good vibes. Ay, tingnan natin. Anong first letter ng surname mo ba? U. R. T. And Y. Okay, 1 point. Ayan, 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Okay. Pass the balloon over. Under. Over. Arrange your line according to your height. Go! High! Sige. Good one. Good vibes. Tingnan. Anong height mo ba? 4'11", 5'3", 5'4", 5'8". Okay, 2 points sa kanila. Okay, 2 points. 2 points sa pahapon tayo hapon. Okay, pass the balloon over. Under. Over. Arrange your line according to your weight. Go! Okay, ilan yung timpang mo? 50, 54, 70. Hulaan ko. 75 to 80. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, pass the balloon. Over. Over. Arrange your line according to your birthday. Go! Birthday. Break man mo. Sabi mo. Tumakal na si Wag na dulo. Tingnan natin, kailan yung break month to ma'am? January, April, May. Kailan yung break month? Okay. Baliktad. Kailan yung birthday mo nga? January, March, November, okay, 3. Aking lang yan, dahil lahat naman may prizes. I claim your prizes po. And then dun sa isang parents, claim your prizes din po. Sabi ng dali sa dulo, nakalimutan ko yung birthday mo. Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, next. The verse 3 that will bring me your
Baka tawagin cellphone mo.
dancing mommy or daddy go. Pakinggan ang dancing mommy or daddy. Okay, one. It's wala. Ventures ID go. Okay, 1, 2. Pag may on-floor kami, active sa silang tatlo. Then pati sa mga dance namin, active is FM when it comes to our activity. For our most cheerful awardee, I would like to present Thea, Zian, and Zian. Ayan, so nabigyan po sila ng most cheerful awardee when it comes sa drive-thru counter, si Zig. Sa drive-thru po si Zian, and sa labi naman po si Thea. Ang pinakamagaling ng order team is Kitty Crew. Vibes 1. Do solemnly. Promise. To always. Give my best. Effort. In everything I do.
When the future comes around, we'll turn and see the promise in one's eyes and say there's more that can be. We'll
Panood natin ang ating mga kidik, right? Sigaw na natin ito.
Yeah, give it up, give it up.
Sabi ko sa inyo, magkakasama namin sa sayaw. Basta may over parents na matutulungan. Toronto, please welcome Aubrey Roy! Dahil isang hi naman sa atin ay na Aubrey Roy. Okay. One, two,
Yeah, smile, yeah. Okay na po, thank you.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's Pasig Kalucho. And hopefully, nagkita-kita po tayo sa grand graduation ng Kidik Pro. And thank you so much for letting your kids join this event. And of course, I hope na nag-enjoy lahat ng kids for this journey. Okay, kids, stand up po tayo for our vibe cheer. Ayan, stand up po, stand up. Ay, sa mga parents po, one last time picture po tayo kasama ng mga kids together with Hamburger. Ayan po yung mga parents po, dito po tayo sa unahan. Ayan yung stand up sa labang babatala.
Dali dito.
Okay, everyone, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Wala si Marga. Yeah.
Ayan, sit down po muna tayo, everyone.
Bigay mo kay... Pabi, bigay nun.
Ayan, syempre, may mga tayo pa po ng parents. Kaya ba ako mag-prepare?
Bigay, give.
Thank you, Mom.
Asan po po yung isa? Bigay mo kay ano. Bigay mo. Give. Yay!
And once again, Kitty Crew, Batch 1, and Ginger Batch 3, thank you so much po. And see you around. And thank you so much. And
Say thank you po.